Hey, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be building this Haropla mobile Haro. I was never a fan of this Ball Haro kits, but this RX78 version I found from the magazine is super creative and I just want to make one like that. It took me a long time to find this kit and it's sold out everywhere in my area. And eBay priced it at super markup. I really like how this magazine shows pictures on how they paint and weather. It makes it so much easier for a beginner like me to follow. I know most builders will cut out all the parts according to the instructions when doing snap build, but I like having everything cut out first. And for bigger kits with more runners, I usually jot down the color and letter of the runners so I know where to look for them. This is like a high-grade kit, very simple, but prepare for some nub removals. There's a lot of masking for this kit, and this Mr. Masking So Nail is made for lazy people like me. Just paint them on and peel them off after. But if you want the paint to be straight and accurate, masking tapes will be a better choice. The yellow masking tape is for straight lines and the white thin one is for curves. It's stretchy and it works really well for curved pieces. I don't remember where I got this liquid chrome marker. I also have a silver Gundam marker, but I like this one better. So it's not the first time I got feedback about my ugly hands. Some people told me to put on some nail polish or hand cream, or couldn't even watch my video because of my manly hands. I'm not offended, because this is totally your choice. I was raised like a boy and I never thought this is such a big deal. We're not done yet, and I think Haro needs a weapon. Thank you Heavy Weapon System for the 3D printed weapons, and they all comes in different sizes. I really love these rifles, and this high grade size are perfect. Before I do anything with the rifles, I want to show you guys this line tool. Line tool is a high quality Korean brand cheese sauce I've been using for a while. I think they work really great if you want to add panel lines and extra details to your kits. The kit only comes with one pair of closed hands and I need one that can hold up the rifle. So I got this 1/100 and 1/144 hands from Bandai because I wasn't sure what size they are. And the 1/100s are way too big. I was just gonna take picture with this clean version and then do some weathering. But then I don't know how I broke both legs. Should I now glue them back or just buy another same kit to replace them? Hope you liked my video today and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you could bear with my ugly hands. Thank you for watching till the end and see you in the next one.